Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Honor 600 is stuck on boot screen or logo. So the first thing that you should do is try to force restart your device by holding down power button and volume down keys at the same time for about 10 seconds. Keep holding them until your device vibrates. Once it vibrates, you can release both buttons and then wait until the phone is restarted. If this doesn't help you, then we can try something different. Force restart your device like we did previously, holding down these two buttons at the same time. And once your phone vibrates, you have to switch volume up button with volume down button with a volume up and press these two buttons at the same time until Honor logo disappears from the screen. And if this doesn't work for you this way, you're gonna have to connect your Honor smartphone to your PC using a cable. So let's do it together. Connect it to a PC using a cable, then hold down power button and volume down keys. Wait until the device shuts down. And now let's start holding down power button and volume up key at the same time. Okay, let's try it once again. Okay, so let's wait until the device shuts down, then start holding down these two keys. And once the Honor logo appears on your screen, release both of these buttons. This will get us to the Magic OS menu. Now, once you are in this menu, use up and down arrow keys to navigate and power button to select. This way, navigate first to the safe mode, press power button to select it, and try launching your device in the safe mode. If your device doesn't want to launch in the safe mode, you can either update it using your PC by entering the update mode. But for this, you're gonna need to use software on your PC, or you can also select clear data option and perform factory reset operation. Or first of all, try wiping the cache partition by pressing power button, wait until the cache partition is wiped, then go back and then try restarting your phone. If this doesn't help you, then eventually you have to clear your data and select factory reset and wait until the factory reset is performed. After that, you'll be able to use your device once again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.